Look at where I live. I, Iberia Udodiri. Of all people. Why must I continue in this misery?
Ebere,
you're here. Please come. Come and sit down.
What is it? What is the problem? You sounded frantic on the phone.
I am tired. Celine, I am tired. Just look at. I am tired. I cannot continue like this. I can't.
Ebere, you know something? My mother told me that it is only fools that take their own lives. I sincerely hope you're not trying to do that.
Far from that. Far from that, Celine. Why must I take my life? I just want to solve this thing once and for all. I want to solve my problem. I can't continue to live like this.
Ebere,
I can't.
Calm down. Your child is not even up to a month yet.
Hey.
I know that your future is bright. I have that feeling. Just please calm down. Please.
I cannot continue to live like this. Let that fool come back. I'm going to give it to him straight, the way it is in my heart. I am done with this whole thing. I am done. Just look at everywhere. Just look at my life. Is this how I'm supposed to be living? Is it? No. Not anymore.
Can you just calm down? Please.
I have told you. A piece of my mind I must give him tonight.
Okay, fine. Fine. What are you planning?
So this is real. This is real. Well, let me get this straight. Have you been thinking about this for the past 3 years? Thinking of how to walk out of this marriage? Is that?
What's the meaning of that rubbish? I don't understand. What do you mean by that? Listen, I never meant to hurt you, but as it stands now, this is it. This is the only thing I can be able to offer you. I'm done.
The best thing you can offer me is to walk out of this marriage. For who? Why? What for? You say you never wanted to hurt me. But if you had me in mind, you wouldn't have come up with this in the first place.
Oh, is that what you think? You think I never thought about this before giving you this? You think I never thought about this before making this decision of mine? Really? In fact, let's have this in a twisted kind of way. You should be thanking me for relieving you of this burden. This agony called taking care of. James, you should focus on yourself.
Don't tell me that. I can take care of my family because my family is my responsibility.
And I see how you're up and doing in this so-called responsibility of yours. Don't Don't even try to remind me what I already forgot. Don't try it. Do you know how the Bible qualified men like you who cannot fend for their families? Do you know?
Ebere, don't twist this with religion. You know I worked so hard ever since things turned around for the worse for me. I picked up a job that my boss cannot even touch just to make sure I put food on the table.
Oh, so you think food is the only basic thing you should provide as a man? What food do you even provide, James? What food? Okay, let's face this. You see your predicament? Your predicament is far from being over. It is. It's as if you have done something very huge that the universe has turned against you.
And even that is the case. Is taking a walk the best option?
That is the best option, oh. That is the best option. Don't even try to beg me. Because I cannot dwell and die in this misery called marriage. I have tried all these years. James, this is the end of it. I am done.
Ebere. The more you deny she didn't put you through this, the more I see your mother speaking through you. You know she never liked me in the first place. She only allowed me to marry you because I was financially buoyant to take care of you back then.
Thank God you said back then. Now you are no longer capable financially to take care of me as a happening babe. You are not. So, and don't even try to bring my mother into this by trying to say she doesn't like you. Why would she even like you? Why? When you deceived her daughter with your sweet-coated lies. Acharanya, go. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone, James. I am done with this whole rubbish called marriage. Leave me alone. Oh, I can't even look at you in the face anymore. You disgust me.
Tired of all this shit. Come on.
Don't you think you are confusing me right now? Chuma, why are you angry and shouting?
I'm done hearing about your friend and her husband and all the shit that they are doing to each other, for God's sake. I am tired. Why are you endlessly feeding my ears with tales concerning them? Why?
Chuma, it will be very wicked of me to see my friend going astray and I will not call her back to order. She has gone insane.
They let her be insane. It's her right. Her choice. So you don't have any right to make choices for her. For goodness sake, we are talking about a graduate here. Come on.
I am not making choices for her. What is your problem? Whatever I say these days, you have issues with it. Why?
Because we are never discussing us lately. We are busy discussing the private life of others and it is driving me crazy. It is.
Chuma, why are you so complicated these days? Is there a problem? The person here is my friend.
It doesn't excuse this, Simon. It doesn't excuse it. I just want you to be my woman and stop making meddling your career. The woman we're talking about here got pregnant for a man, and after delivering the child for him decides to leave him. You must have thought about it thoroughly. Come on, it is not your business.
Chuma, you are saying all this because we are not married yet. Come to think of it, how would you feel if I do that to you? After making promises to you before God and man. What is the justification in that? Chuma, try and put yourself in that man's shoes for a little minute, and then you will understand where I have been coming from all this while.
Do you have feelings for that man?
Excuse me?
Just answer the goddamn question. Do you have feelings for that man? Do you?
Chuma, you may be my fiancé, but that does not give you the right to mock my love for you.
It is just a simple question. Oh, God. I'm crazy right now. It's just driving me crazy right now.
I am talking to you, James. Where were you last night? Why did you not come home? Why?
Well, since you care to know, I was out.
You were out. Drinking and soothing your pains, obviously. I know. But my question is, why did you not come home?
Ebere, home is where men find love. Home is where men find peace. Home is where men are respected. Ebere, you've changed. And you've turned this place into everything but home.
Oh, please, just spare me. Spare me that useless preaching of yours. And tell me the whore you slept with last night.
Ebere,
James.
unbelievable. A whore? Is that how low you can think about me? You think I sleep around? Huh? Ebere, be careful of the words that comes out of your mouth before you say something you will regret.
Regret, you say? The only regret I have now is getting into this mess you call marriage. If I had listened to my mother and walked away, I would not be suffering like this. And you're talking about regrets. What nonsense regret are you talking about? Eh?
Can you hear yourself? You call what we share a mess? Our 4 years of togetherness? Our 4 years of oneness?
Akoko.
You just realized that what we shared for 4 years is a mess. Anyway, I have to let you know that I'm 4 years late to waking up in this mess.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare talk to me like that. James, don't you dare talk to me like that.
Ebere, you've created a hole in my heart, and I know I did nothing wrong to you.
And you will suffocate in that hole alone. You will. You come here. Bet me on that. Just take a very good look at yourself, James. James, you were a disaster. Don't ever come close to me to touch me again in this house. You're a very, very stupid man. Useless. Yeah, go. Go and meet those whores that you sleep with. You will come back and meet me here. Ocho. Nonsense. Good afternoon. I actually saw hairs outside, but I can't find any here. Check upstairs. Thank you. God, see beautiful wigs and extensions. How time has changed. Who would ever believe that I, a berry, would ever be in this kind of situation where I can't even buy the cheapest of these and make myself look beautiful? Chai.
Please, what do you want?
Yes, I love this one. It's very beautiful.
Oh, beautiful. It will look good on you.
Yes. How much is it?
247.
I don't understand. You mean 247,000?
Yes, now check it. Very cheap, Abby. How can it be sold for 247,000 naira while this one I'm carrying here is 10,000 naira? How? Hi! Insult to this company, no. You dey carry this your sponge, madam. Say they compare this thing. Check am now. This air and sponge you take the bath, what will be the difference?
Are you stupid? Is this the way you run your place?
Madam, please.
I beg you, something for this. Don't talk to me and I will beat you now. I don't care. Hello, stop this. Joma.
Madam, see me see what.
Joma, will you keep quiet?
I'll take it from here. You can leave.
Rubbish.
Hi. But madam, this...
Excuse me. Hello? Come back. I am going to speak to you after this. Just go.
Shut up! Oh, shut up. Your mother said you should shut up. Shut up. Ordinary sales girl, you're talking to me because I came to price.
Madam,
customers are always right.
Yes, madam, everything is right.
I never said anything
madam,
bad.
You did not. You, your bag, everything. You are right, eh?
Stupid girl.
I'm so sorry. She's not like...
I was only pricing the hair. Can you imagine?
Ebi.
Do I know you?
Ebi. Chichi now. Chinansa is...
Chinasa Ekosa.
Chinansa now.
Chichi!
Okay, look, I know it's the same face. Can't you...
Oh my God, Chichi. I came to, I saw a very beautiful plaza and I saw hair. I'm a lover of hair, so I just came up to see if I could get one for myself. And wait, are you the madam of this place?
Well, I am... Let me be honest with you. We are still managing it. We are going to upgrade it.
Don't talk about that! So if you're the madam of this place, that automatically means that this hair belongs to me.
You know what, Don't worry, We can find it.
Don't be like that now. Chinasa, don't be like that.
We have a lot
to talk about. And before that, I am so hungry.
James, what is this? Enough! Did you want to kill yourself?
This is just a common stout. This will not be spirit now. It can't do me anything. See, I just want to get drunk and useless myself and get wasted.
Get wasted and you think it will solve the problem? James, listen, James. We drink not because it solves our problems. No! But because it gives us temporary relief.
Uche, I am in pain. The question is, how do I get my life back?
Face it. Face life squarely. Life push you, put back, it forces you out, you force yourself in. That's it.
Look, Ebere is leaving our home. Ebere filed for divorce. She's leaving our home. She's leaving the marriage. She's leaving our child. Everything. Can you imagine? 4 years of marriage. 4 good years of marriage. She just woke up to realize that the 4 good years you shared was a mess.
I know, James. I understand. But does it mean you will kill yourself? Listen, James. No marriage on planet Earth is without hurdles. The question is, how do we go about solving them?
This isn't a hurdle that needs solving. This is an end. A divorce.
Oh, I know, but Ebere leaving you does not mean that it has crumbled. I mean, it does not mean that it has ended for you. For me, my brother, I think it means open doors somehow. Do you understand?
I love her. I love my wife. I love her so much. You know how we roll. People call us the best couple in town. We love ourselves so much and suddenly...
I know you love her. I know everything. I understand, James.
See, Uche, it seems like there are forces working against me. First was an allegation against me And the company management laid me out of the company. As if that wasn't enough. I started doing one useless job to another, and now I am feeding from hand to mouth. And the only thing I have, the only consolation I have, my only heartthrob, my soul, my everything wants to leave me. They are forcing her to leave me. Can't you just get it? Can't you understand? Can you leave me alone? I want to breathe.
James! What is this? Why do you want to kill yourself, James?
Hey! Honestly, I still can't believe my eyes. So this is you. Chinasa Okwosa.
Yes.
I hardly recognized you.
Thank God you could not recognize me. If you could, then that is not a very good thing. But it is the Lord's doing.
Indeed it is, my sister. Who could ever imagine that you, Chinasa, could own a place as beautiful as this?
Actually, it's one of my shops.
So you mean there are others like this?
Of course. There are others, and they are also better than this. Sweetie, we have shops in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt. What's the other place again? In Oka. And now we're trying to bring it up here in Asaba. But this is just the second one, It's not a big deal. It's not.
Nasa.
It's not a big deal.
I mean, I still cannot believe my eyes. Because those days in school, you never appeared to us like someone that wants to do business.
Did I like business? I don't like business now. But my sister, desperate times calls for desperate measures. And now look at it. Okay, enough about me. How are you? Well, how long has it been? It's been like 5 or 6 years now.
It's been 6 years.
It's a lie.
Yes. It's been 6 years, my darling.
It's a lie.
You woke up one morning, disappeared into thin air, no one knew your whereabouts.
I was around. I was here, I was there, I was, different corner. I was around. Okay, how is Celine? How is she? I'm sure you guys have like kids now. You guys are married with little kids. Just
neither of the two. I am married. I just had a child 2 months ago. Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. And Celine, she's engaged, and I believe before the end of the year, she will be married.
You guys are doing so well. I'm sorry if I'm getting...
No, don't be silly. Why are you talking like that?
Am I not getting too personal?
You're free. Talk to me.
Okay. So, how's your husband? Who did you marry? I'm sure it was one of those boys in school. It was one of those...
No.
It was there. I told you it was one of those boys.
None of them,
Gigi. Who is it now?
You don't know him. I'm not sure you do. He's not someone you know. Yes. But we're fine. We're there.
Everything is fine.
Yes.
And you want me to believe it like that?
But that's
okay. It's no problem if you say so. Anyway, we have a lot to catch up on. I'm still in town for about 2 weeks. We still want to open another branch here.
You are surely a millionaire.
I am not, so please don't let them hear you. I'm not a millionaire. It's called beautician. That is what we do. Beautician.
You indeed.
So, Celine, what does she do now?
Celine is now into the food industry full time. She owns a fast food joint and she's making cool cash for herself.
She's a millionaire too now. You guys are doing so well. But who would have believed that Celine would actually go into that kind of business? Do you remember she was all into those science stuff?
This is Nigeria. You could read something else in school, then when you come out, the economy will shift your head and move it into something else.
I know.
That is how it is.
Tell me about it. Oh, remember back there, remember when she would laugh at us that as if the course we were doing was like a God-forsaken course. Do you remember?
Celine was something else.
She was so mad.
So difficult. But now,
oh God, we have so much to catch up on.
So much.
How about lunch? Are you busy? Are you coming?
I've seen you. I'm okay, it's no problem. Just take me anywhere. Anything you want to do with me, do.
I'm spoiled today. Let's go.
She talks anyhow.
I'm coming.
You have to discipline her.
Don't worry.
She should thank her staff that you arrived. I would have dealt with her. Rubbish. Selena.
Very where are you coming? Baby, I'm talking to you. Look at the time. Why do you have to come back by this time?
What is the meaning of this rubbish? What do you mean time? There was Solomon a time, eh? What is the meaning of this?
Baby, don't twist this like you always do. You have your phone. Why not make a call, put the call across and tell us you're not coming back? I was worried, and the baby as well.
My baby is just 2 months old. And the girl that is helping me take care of my child is doing a great job. So I don't know where you got this crap from. I don't.
One reason you should come back home. Tell me, one reason you come back home. Who leaves that 2 months old baby with a child like that?
My baby is with someone who will just come to life. And it's not like it's your business anyway. Well, if you must know, I ran into an old friend of mine from the university. And we went out to catch up on old times. We didn't realize how time flew. And boom, it was late. Do you want to kill me? Do you?
Barry, can you hear yourself talk? Can you just hear yourself talk? You are a mother. Sometimes try to be reasonable and try to make things work out the way it's supposed to be.
Save on your ban. Save it. Ogunodo, who are you shouting at? If I want an advice, I know where to get it from. Not from you, James. Advice. You first of all advise yourself and stand up like a man. Don't even try to talk to me. Oguno, just save it there. What yeah? Nonsense.
Okay. You really need my advice on this? Okay. You see, we've come a long way as a couple. And you know I trust you. Absolutely.
Come on, my love. Don't make it more difficult than it is already. I know you trust me as your wife. And I trust you too. But I need your advice on this.
My love, this is completely women's affair. And a man like me shouldn't dabble into that.
And you're the only man in my life who I have come to love with everything in me. Yes. Your input is very important in my life. It has nothing to do with dabbling into women's affair.
Do you really need my opinion on this?
Of course I do.
Okay. Well, I consider this invitation as a step forward for you. So, accept it.
Are you serious?
Oh, yeah.
I should accept it.
Sure. And if you don't, I won't be happy with you at all.
I need you to know that accepting it means I'm going to be in Senegal for 2 weeks without you. And funny enough, some of my friends said their husbands wouldn't allow them go.
Fortunately, this is a different family. I trust my wife. And my wife trusts me too. So I'll be here for 2 weeks, missing and waiting for my wife. While she'll be somewhere in Senegal, missing and longing to come back to her husband.
Oh, baby, I love you.
Come here.
Thank you so much. Oh,
I love you too.
thank you so much.
And I will forever do love you.
I love you more.
Everything shall surely pass away. The pleasures of this world are just for a while. Silver and gold shall surely pass away. Don't gain the world and lose your soul.
You are pulling my legs, aren't you?
No. I'm not pulling your legs. I'm telling you the truth. As a matter of fact, more than 50 engineers submitted their impressions. They studied all and considered mine as the best.
And right about now, they are proceeding with yours?
Of course! We are going higher and higher and higher and richer.
Oh my God!
After this project, I'm going to open my own company.
My love, I love to hear things like this, my love.
You're such an amazing love you so much. I love you.
I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. Are you going to stand there and keep looking at me? No. Get in there. Get into something hot. We are clubbing right now.
Yes, my love. We are clubbing.
Oh yeah.
And tonight, I am going to rock.
Faster, baby!
Oh, baby.
Are you still not going to talk about it? For crying out loud, James, I am your wife. Why are you doing this? To the best of my knowledge, I cannot remember hiding anything from you. So why are you hiding things from me? What seems to be the problem?
Did I tell you that I'm hiding anything from you?
Come on, James, don't do this. I mean, don't. I know you too well. You have been moody lately. You have been indoors for 2 days. You haven't gone out. Something must have caused it. If there's something I've done wrong to you, why don't you tell me? What is wrong with you?
Ebere, you didn't do anything wrong to me.
What?
I lost my job.
What? You lost your job? How? When? Why?
I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out how it happened.
No, you can't tell me you don't know. You should know. I mean, there must be a reason or reasons why they laid you off.
I asked them, but it doesn't just make any sense to me.
So you're trying to tell me that they unjustly fired you?
Vera, it's okay. I just want to be left alone.
No, it is not okay. And I will not leave you alone until you tell me why you were fired. I can't believe this. I mean, I don't understand it. You have always been careful and scrutinized all the activities going on that site. Then how come this? How come 2 blueprints? I don't even know what to believe anymore. But if that building truly collapsed, that means there's a big trouble.
Yes, there is. The lives of those poor workers who died.
Oh.
We are not just talking about the lives. What about the company that owns the building? Look, I am confused. I don't know what to do. I don't even know what awaits me from here.
I wonder what the person who did this to you, to your career, hopes to achieve by ruining your reputation.
I don't know. But the company management promised to carry out further investigation into this. I don't know if anything fruitful can come out of it.
Oh, do not talk like that, my love. Don't. Have faith in God. I believe that everything will be fine. Okay? Payback. I don't understand. Why are you the one paying back? Honey, 35 million naira is a huge amount of money. I know we have a comfortable life. But we cannot pay 35 million naira for damages for something we did not commit in the very first place. I mean, who does that? Are those people thinking at all? Are they? I am sure you're not considering what they have said, because I will not take it. I won't have you pay such money. For what?
This is court's order. What am I supposed to do?
Honey, what do you mean court order? Something has to be done. You're not considering paying that money. You're not just considering it. You're not.
Bury.
Hey, bury what? Don't say bury me. If you think towards that direction, that means we are finished. We have nothing left.
They will throw me into jail if I fail. I am confused.
Why are they doing this? Why are they doing this to you? After all, you have settled the family of the diseased workers. Why do they want to ruin you? Why do they want to milk you completely? Why?
Barry, I am sorry. I am sorry I failed you. This is not the life I promised you. I feel I cheated on you and
Please stop. Stop. I want you to listen to me. You are my husband, and I love you so very much. I want you to understand that this is not the end of the world for us. It is just a phase. It will pass away. We will survive it.
How? How can we survive it? I've practically sold everything. And this place, our place of comfort.
I told you to forget it. Forget it already. We will pull through. Trust me, we will.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for staying with me through this trying time. Thank you.
You don't have to thank me. You don't have to. For I am your better half. I made a promise before God and man that I will stand by you in all circumstances. So why must I leave you now? I will stand by you. I will stand with you and make sure that you conquer again. I will stand with you until we return to where we're supposed to be. I don't ever want you to feel bad again. This is just a phase, and it must surely pass.
Ebere, you've changed. This is not the woman I fell in love with. This is not the woman I got married to. Ebere, you've totally changed.
I can't believe you had everything planned up before even telling me.
Yes. I didn't tell you because I never wanted you to discourage me.
Discourage you? Ebere, you are leaving your husband, your marriage, your home. Ebere, you need someone to talk senses into you.
That's not true. That's not what I need right now. All I need is for you to support me.
Support you, say?
Yes.
Ebere, do you have any idea of what you're throwing away because of your stupid decision?
Celine, I don't understand you. Why are you hell-bent on convincing me to do otherwise instead of supporting me? What kind of a friend are you?
Because I know you, my friend. Ebere, I know you. You are not doing the right thing. Ebere, listen. Do you think you go through this marriage just alone? It happens in so many marriages. Women go through a lot in their homes, millions of them, but they still stay intact just to keep the home running. They even go to do petty trading just to make sure the family is safe. But a marriage is for better and for worse.
And I also want you to know that this is 21st century. No one should be asked to endure a useless marriage. No one should be. And for those women who do not want to lose their self-esteem because they want to still remain relevant in their marriages, Ebere cannot be part of them. I don't want to live such life. I mean, James has really dealt with me. He has reduced me to the lowest level I can get. And I cannot go lower than this. I can't, Celine. I just can't.
Ebere, I think you are making a hasty decision with this thing you're doing. And you are going
Stop it! Celine, stop it. What is your problem? Is James your brother or any of your relative? Why are you always carrying his matter on top of your head? Why? Okay, fine. If you think that I'm throwing goodies away, why don't you go ahead and pick those goodies? Because I'm sure that you will be a good company to him once I'm gone.
Ebere, you are mad. You are mad. If that is a joke, just stop it. Why would you throw such stones at me? For your information, Ebere, I have a man. And even if I do not have one, I won't take someone else's husband.
A divorcee is no one's husband. And please, my dear friend, I can never wish you James. Never will I. Who is James? You deserve better. And please, it is high time we stopped this, James that. It is becoming too much. That is not what brought me here. Please.
Ebere.
Please. Celine. Guess who I ran into?
Who?
Chichi.
Who is Chichi?
Chinasa Okwosa. The old sexy Chinasa Okwosa, way back in school.
Chinasa Okwosa?
Yes!
Where did you see her?
I ran into her.
Oh my God! Chichi! Wow, you look so beautiful! I can't believe this is you!
Why won't you believe it's me? Why? Eh?
Because I was doubting when she told me you were here. Like this close to us, we never knew.
It's me. Thank you.
And besides, this place is awesome.
Thank you. That was what she said too. But I told her I'm still upgrading it. Just a little. Just a little.
Upgrade? Really? Yeah. You are upgrading it this one?
It needs to be upgraded just a little bit.
Anyway, enough about me. Stop talking about me. How is the food business coming along?
Great, wonderful, beautiful.
Packing money. Come on, this is packing. Yes.
Thank you.
I am so glad that you two are here. I felt so guilty when we were doing our catch-up. I was like, no, you have to be here.
My dear, I will speak the truth. I really enjoyed myself. I honestly did, although we missed you.
Okay, but I'm here now. So.
Chichi,
What happened?
I think it's high time I changed this hair of mine. I need to change it to something beautiful, colorful, and also respectful.
Very respectful. Okay, so what's the occasion?
Occasion? Must there be an occasion before I look beautiful? So this your fine makeup and this your fine hair, it doesn't suit me. It won't suit me.
You know what? You are right about this. I think, okay, with your face, I have the perfect hair that will go well with you. And I have the perfect stylist that will hook you up.
When the stylist herself deemed it, then obviously.
Of course. Don't get too excited yet. I'll shock you.
Okay. I trust you. Nasa. Aye.
This place is beautiful.
You're shocked, aren't you?
I am amazed.
I told you.
I come past here sometimes. I see this place. I don't know she's the owner. And then she's this close to us.
That's it. My dear, that was how I saw a beautiful plaza and I went into it to see what I could see. And then, boom! The owner of the place happens to be my old friend. It's indeed a small world.
Our own
friend! I'm so excited.
Oh my God.
Happy for her the same time.
I swear.
This is so beautiful.
Ebere. Ebere.
Ogini.
This is too much, don't you think? Yes, I know she said we can take whatever we want. But come, don't just run and try. That's not fair.
I don't understand you. Madam Do Good, I do not understand you. Is it your money? Are you the one spending it? Why are you bothered?
I am bothered because this is too much. It is not my money, but it's somebody's money. It is too much.
Oh, I see. You don't want me to look good, right? You and James are in this together. Is that it?
Ebere, listen to me. Try and understand what I am talking about.
There is nothing to understand. I mean, absolutely nothing. Oh, you don't want me to look as sophisticated as you. I don't deserve to be beautiful. I don't deserve to look good up here. Is that what you're trying to tell me?
That's what I'm saying, Ebere. But try and be coordinated. Alisa, she will not feel you are greedy.
She doesn't see me to be a greedy person. Celine, you have been my friend for years. Have you ever shopped for me? You have never for one day bought anything for me. It has always been the other way around. I always took you out to buy things for you when the money was there. Now the money is no longer there. What have you done for me? Anytime I come down to Asaba, I will always be the one to buy things for you. Why are you doing this? Now someone has volunteered to buy things for me. You are telling me to keep, I should take it easy, I should take it easy. What is your business now? Celine, what is your business?
Fine, it's okay, fine. Please, do what you want to do.
Yes, I'm doing exactly what I want to do because it's not your money.
Are you girls okay? Is this everything? Are you sure you don't want more?
Yes.
You can take some more clothes.
No, we're fine.
Are you sure about
Yes.
that? All right. Let me know how much thousands of naira it is, okay?
Have you seen your life? What I have here is not even up to 100,000 naira. You are here shouting and you finished the money. You have not finished the money. Have you seen it?
Okay. You know, you can take some more clothes.
I'm very fine, thank you.
No problem.
You're such a darling.
Okay. Let me know how much all these things are, including this, And that will be on debit card.
Ebere, you fight for divorce, but we are not separated yet. We are still here before the law. You are still my wife. So why are you developing into a strange woman?
You are the fool who has developed into a strange man. James, Bachalanyage, don't put words into my mouth. Before I'm going to get you a right now. I will tell you your life and you will go and hang yourself. Do you understand?
Ebere, even if you don't want to be my wife anymore, you are still the mother of my child. And as a responsible father, I have to look out for the mother of my child.
Well said. I can see you. A responsible man indeed. Just look. Go to the mirror and see how stupid you look making that comment. I know I am a mother. Yes, I know. That is why I have little Ifnai taking care of my son.
Ebere, you can add the semi for Nanya. Jamike cried all through the day, and her mother will not pick her call. So the big question is that how responsible mothers behave in your village?
I am receiving good lecture on parenting. Look at you. From a man, you are doing a great job. Now let me ask you, James. When was the last time you were there for that little boy? Tell me. When? From the very day he stepped into this world, I have been the one catering for him. I have been the one taking care of him. What have you done so far? You have not contributed a quarter. And you stand there to lecture me on how to perform my motherly duties? How dare you? Who do you think you are to my son? Now, if anyone should be lectured on this, it should be you. Because for years now, you seem to have forgotten...
Hey, it's okay. I think you need some rest. You can go in and rest.
Everything shall surely pass away. The pleasures of this world are just for a while. Silver and gold shall surely pass away.
Off again? When did you get a job? I'm sorry about last night. I didn't mean to lash out on you like that. I was compelled to. I am sorry. Please. Is it going to be like this between us?
What do you want me to do? I mean, what exactly do you want me to say? You want to insult me once again? Listen, I don't want to talk because I don't want you to tell me anything that I wouldn't like. Please.
Ebere, when did you become this hostile to me? When did it turn this bad that they can't even spare me a smile? When? You remember the good old days? How we used to love each other? How we start and end our days with each other? Remember those good old days?
Oh,
have you discarded them and thrown them into the gutter?
God. Pastor James, I don't want to hear again. Why are you remembering the good old days? What would the good old days do for me? Will it give me money? Will it put food on my table? Or will it cater for my child? Please stop telling me about the good old days. All I want is to be happy and live again. I want a life I have not had all this while. I want to live again.
Do you want to ruin the thriving relationship we have? Remember, no one gave us a chance, but we pulled through. Old times doesn't last forever. Yes, I know that things are difficult for, but things will be better eventually. We will pull through again.
Please, can you spare me the sermon? Are you seriously getting this thing twisted? I am doing you a favor by allowing you to take care of yourself alone. Allow me to live my life. You should be thankful to me, not seeing me as a bad person. I mean, not all women are like me anyways, so you should be thankful to me.
It's so good. You know she sells the best zobo in town, eh? Machi Bozi. Do you like it? Abby. Do you like it?
Of course I do. It's nice.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
And you want me to... Look at your eyes. Are you okay? You want me to believe that?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, look at me. Okay. I'm listening. I'm all ears. What's going on?
I just don't know why. I'm so unlucky. I've just been pondering on my life. Why my life is so unlucky.
Why would you use that word unlucky? God forbid. Why would you say you're unlucky? Look, as far as I can tell, my dear, you are blessed.
Chinasa, you don't know the truth. If you knew the truth about me, then you wouldn't say this. I am suffering.
Okay, fine. I understand that we don't share the same view. That's okay. But from that first day, I looked into your eyes and I can see that something is not right with you and your husband. Baby, whatever it is, you can pass through.
No, I can't. I cannot pull through, and that is why I am getting a divorce. I can't continue like this. I can't.
What did you just say?
You heard me. Chinasa, I am in hell already. I cannot continue my life like this. I can't. I know what I'm passing through. I know the things I can't continue. I just can't.
Okay. Let me understand this. You are married. Your husband seems to love you. He must love you. You have a child, a 2-month-old child that God has blessed you with. And you are telling me you are not happy. No. Okay, you want to ruin his entire life? Is that what you want to do?
Before you talk about my family, maybe you should try wearing my shoes to know how well they fit. Chinas, I know exactly what I'm talking about. You don't know how I've lived these past years.
No, I don't. I don't. How would I know? No, let me understand. How would I know? I'm not married. I don't have any kids of my own. So I don't understand the pain that you are talking about. I don't have it. But do you really think divorce is the best thing to do now?
You think if I have another option, I wouldn't gladly take it? My options are limited on this, Chinasa. I'm not asking for too much. I want a better life. I want to live and be happy. I deserve it. I do. Chinasa, all I want is to live a better life. I hope you understand what I'm saying. I want a better life. No one is willing to help him. No one at all. Not even those he sent to school. Those he opened businesses for. Even the ones he sent abroad. Nobody is willing to help him at all. His problem has a very terrible spiritual connection. You don't expect me to fool myself by staying with the same man hoping that things will get better. No.
I understand. I understand everything that you are saying. But you said he's trying now, eh? So he's trying to work. He's trying to make ends meet.
Work, you say? The same job he has had all these years that moved us from hand to mouth. Come on, Chinasa. This is not the kind of life I want for myself. No, this is not it. I really need to make a move. As a matter of fact, I have already made a move.
You what?
Yes, I have.
Let me break this down to you. Okay? It is hard for a man who was once wealthy and suddenly crumbles and he wants to pick up his broken pieces in life again. Do you know how hard that is? And your husband is doing just that for you and the kid. My dear friend, you need to understand something, oh. There is no marriage out there that doesn't have any problem. There is none. I've heard many stories, so what matters is not the problem, but it is how you face these problems that come your way.
Chinasa, you're really funny. You surprise me. Honestly, you are surprising me right now. You're not yet married, yet you seem to have mastered the craft in surviving in a marriage as suffocating as mine. Come on, Chinasa, what are you saying? Well, the thing is that I have backed out and I am not going back again. I am not. All I need now is help. Help is all I need.
Okay. What do you want me to do?
Very good. Chinasa, I need you to help me end all my troubles, all my problems.
I don't understand.
Chinasa, you are connected. No doubt about that. You're blessed. All I want you to do for me is to help introduce me to business. I really want to work. You know me, I'm very industrious. I'm focused. I'm independent. I need to work. I really need to. Please, don't deny me this. I am equal to the task. I can do anything.
You really don't know what you're talking about.
I do.
You don't.
I do.
I said you don't.
Chinasa, I do. I know what I want for myself. I'm mature enough to say that. Chinasa, please. I need you to help me so I can become a better person in life. I need something to do. Something to help me so I can forget about my failed marriage. Please do not deny me this. Help me, my sister. Help a sister, please. I promise if you do this for me, I will never bother you again. It really means a lot to me. Please. Please. Help a sister.
The pleasures of this world are just for a while. Silver and gold shall surely pass away. Don't gain the world and lose your soul.
not around though.
I know. I actually didn't come because of him. I came to see you. Yes.
I hope there's no problem.
No, there's no problem.
Okay.
I think it will be best if we go inside and talk.
Talk?
Yes, talk.
Talk about what?
What
are we to talk about? James sent you here, didn't he?
No. He didn't even know that I'm here right now. You know, I just want to...
Just want to do what? You don't have things to do with your time? I mean, you don't have relevant things to do with your time other than going around looking for people's businesses to poke your nose into.
Are you serious?
Are you not ashamed of yourself? You want to talk to me? You should first of all sit down and talk to yourself. You are the one who needs to be talked to. Look at you. Just take a very good look at yourself. With your useless bend down selects that you came in here with to talk to me.
Hey, Betty, what is this now? What is this? No, why are you insulting me? What is this? What have I done to you to deserve this kind of insult? It's not like you know why I'm here.
I know. Trust me, I know virtually everything. I know. So it is not enough that he kept me in this house against my will. What he now does is to go about telling people about our problems. Talking to strangers.
No. I am not a stranger. I am your husband's friend. Best friend, not a stranger.
So how come I did not know you until 4 years ago? You good-for-nothing loafer that automatically turned into James's friend because you helped us get this shithole you call a house. You are a stranger. And I'm telling you today that you are a stranger and a bad luck.
What is this?
That is why James has refused to move. He has been stagnant because he kept someone like you as a friend. He left his real friends and followed you. What you now do is to take my husband from one beer parlor to another.
Ebele,
you're a wizard.
What wizard? You call this place, this wonderful compound, a shithole? Listen, I am here because I am concerned. Chief Augustine, who is the owner of this land, who is the owner of this place, gave this place to you people because of me. He told me that you people have not even paid a dime. You have not paid anything. And he still allowing you people to stay because of me. And you are here insulting me, a homie.
Hey, shut up. Who is a home? You think you're a human being? See, you have not seen anything, no? You have not seen or heard any insults. Because the next time you come into this compound with these two left leg of yours, what I will do to you, you will not live to tell the story. I will open the real chapter of insults for you to know that you are really miserable.
No.
Now get out. Get out.
No, is this what you have become? I need your... Look at someone. Look at someone I suffered for.
Get out.
Get out. You must be...
You stupid man.
No, is this what you have become?
I said you are a foolish man.
I need your...
Are you a stupid man? Get out. Look, are you a madman?
This is what James has become.
Very foolish man.
No. No wonder James has gone into drinking. No. James should go into what is more than drinking. In fact, James should go into drinking drums of alcohol. Look at, this is what I've become. I need your, do you know?
Is this still there? Is this still there? Onyawa, Anuofia, Okademan, get him. Stupid man. You would have stayed here now. Now, stop of your misfortune of a man. Let me see you in this compound again. Can we go get you, man? Anuofia. It's yours. Come and go see if you get a jinx, you okay, man?
You know I can tolerate your nagging. But what I will not tolerate is when you shoot the same nagging to my friends. Have you completely lost it?
Oh, you don't know? I have lost it long time ago. It's just that I've been trying to put myself together, but not anymore.
Ebere, you're pushing me. Ebere, you are pushing me. Uche meant no harm. He's just a friend who has been there for me.
Asioko, he is not your friend. He is a total stranger. Do you understand that? James, what is wrong with you? I am really ashamed of you. I am ashamed of you. Look at you. When did you go from whining and dining with prestigious men in the society to drinking beer and playing drafts at street corners? When? A man who wants to help himself should start by keeping good friends.
What is wrong with him? No, tell me. What is wrong with Uche? Just because he doesn't have enough?
Yes, he does not have enough and he will never have. Is it that nonsense he does by the roadside? Is it what will give him money? If he really has money, why is he not married?
Enough! Enough of raining insults on my friend. Enough of that.
Okotoreba.
Which he meant to harm. He's just a friend who has been there for us, helping us out in times of need. Suddenly you just realize that he has no future. Wait, is that what you think of me? And just because I'm temporarily financially handicapped, I am not worthy to be your husband anymore?
Temporary, you say? Please rephrase it and say it exactly the way it is. James, you are permanently, irrevocably, in all ways round, financially handicapped. In fact, your case is worse than Nigeria's financial crisis. I should have listened to my mother when she said you were a loser. Rubbish.
Everything shall surely pass away. The pleasures of this world are just for a while. Silver and gold.
I want to understand something, James. Is it that you are a daft or an idiot? Or maybe you are worse than both? Why is it that you're not understanding what she's been trying to tell you?
Why are you not talking like a mother?
Will you just shut up? What do you know about anything to tell me that? What exactly is your problem? You cannot take care of your wife. And when she has decided to relieve you of that stress, you don't want to let her go. James, what is your problem?
Why am I not surprised? You've been degrading me ever since you know me. Ever since I can remember. Instead of you to talk sense to your daughter as a member of CWO. Remember I married your daughter, traditionally, and I wedded her in the church.
James, the last thing I won't take from you is you trying to bring in CWO into this matter. James, do you know the only reason I allowed your marriage with my daughter was because she got pregnant for you?
Oh. Will you question God on this? He's the one who approved the pregnancy.
You see why I hate to sit down with this thing? Do you know because of you, my daughter refused men that would have married her. Men of caliber. Men of substance. Even Chief Akiono, who would have taken care of her without any question, giving her the life that she deserved. The reason I allowed you to marry my daughter was because you have small change to take care of her. But now you don't have anything. So please, why don't you allow my daughter go? Divorce her. How much will it cost you? How much?
I love my wife.
Hey, I say love.
And I love you not, James. I love you not. Please, I am tired of this relationship. Sign the damn divorce papers. Let me have peace. I want to have peace. I'm in bondage, please. Maybe all those your stupid friends that come here to give me stupid advice will stop disturbing my life.
James, take it. Take it. Ijeko, do you have money? Take it. Let my daughter go.
Is this how badly you want to quit? It is how badly you want to leave me. Is it?
Everything shall surely pass away. The pleasures of this world.
Come and take this thing.
Silver and gold shall surely pass away. Don't gain the world and lose.
Why can't I just pack my things and leave that house? No, my daughter. If you do that, the church will not dissolve your marriage and it will affect you in the future.
I know, but I don't go to that church often.
Don't argue with me on this. You see, we do not have any evidence of him raising his hands on you. And as long as we don't have it, if you leave the marriage, the church will frown at it. So let us just follow him the way we are doing. He will sign those papers. Anyway, call me whenever you need anything, okay?
I will. But, Mommy, wait.
I am surprised the way you talk about church lately. Have you suddenly become serious with church again? You won't understand, my daughter. You won't understand. Don't worry. It's okay, eh? Just take care of yourself. Ebere, can you just repeat what you just said? Like I didn't hear you right.
You heard me, didn't you? What is your problem, Celine?
I did not hear you. I want to be sure that I heard you right, not wrong.
How do you want me to say it? You want me to use the public address? Or probably I should shout? How else?
Ebere, you sat down there and watched your mom do that to your husband.
Point of correction. My ex-husband to be.
And you think that is justified? That way? Ebere, James is your husband. The man you promised for better and for worse. Through your life. Be it as it's made. Ebere, how can you sit down there and watch your mother throw money at your husband and you did nothing?
What would you have me do? You tell me, what would I have done? You know how much my mother hates my husband. And she probably felt that was the only way she could deal with him. And to me, I see nothing wrong in that. Yes, James loves me too much. He loves me so much that he practically adores the very ground I walk on. He wouldn't let go. I felt the best way to make him leave me alone is to be rude.
Ebere, but for your mother to throw money at your husband, that was the highest insult. Fine, I know she might not like James now. I know that when things were going smoothly, she was fond of James. You guys go to the house, she was happy. Why now? And you stayed back there, Ebere, watched your mom do what she did, and you didn't say anything. Ebere, that is not nice. That was unfair.
Everything shall surely pass away.
You can't do this. Abby, you cannot do this job.
Why? Of course I can do the job. Forget about how I look. I am stronger than my looks.
It's not about being strong. You just can't do this job.
Do you want to help? If you don't want to help, then you tell me. Why are you beating around the bush on this? This is help, for crying out loud, Chichi. This is help. If you want to help me, you do that. I am not asking you to give me money or a shop stocked with goods. I'm only asking you to help me. Just guide me on it. Okay. I want to work for myself. I want to do this on my own.
Fine. Fine. This is what I will do. Let me write you a check. Let me write...
You don't get it, do you? You obviously don't get what I'm saying. Chichi, I don't want a half-baked help. I will soon be leaving my husband. And I will be leaving him with nothing. I want to be independent. I want to be confident of myself. I want to work and earn money. I don't want to be dependent on anyone or answerable to anyone. That's not what I want for myself.
1 second. Hello?
Hi, V.
Kel.
I just called to remind you of my upcoming birthday.
Yes, of course, you know I would not forget your birthday, eh? I'll be there.
But you're not in town.
I will be in town tomorrow, but nothing in this world will make me forget your birthday.
Okay. No problem. I can't wait to see you.
Babes, I got you. I'll talk to you later.
Thanks.
Ciao, ciao. can you leave your baby for a few days? Couple of days?
As if I knew you were going to ask that question. I can. As a matter of fact, my baby is with Mama Ifunanya. And he's already cool with them.
And that's great. Brilliant. Okay, this is what is going to happen. I am going to give you a stress reliever because we are going to Port Harcourt.
Wait, you're taking me with you?
On my back. Of course I'm taking you. Business class?
It's a lie. Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Mami Funanya, please, take this. This is nothing, but just a way to say thank you for taking care of my son since my wife went to God knows where. Hopefully.
Can you do me a favor?
Okay? Say it. You're like a family to me right now, so I will do it.
Take this back. I don't need it.
Mami Funanya, you need it. Like I said, I am not paying you. It's just a token to appreciate you for what you've done for me, please, okay? Take it.
I'm sorry, James. I'm just fine. And your son is fine. Had it been I knew this is what you wanted to do, I will not have come. You need this money. You need it. And I have all I need to take care of your son. All that I need. So take care of yourself. Bye.
How can a woman leave her son with somebody and disappear into the thin air? Ebere, my love, why did you change like this?
Moses.
Welcome.
Chichi. Chinasa.
What?
Don't tell me this is your house.
I remember telling you I am bringing you to my house in Port Harcourt. Why are you asking me such a silly question?
That is because this house is too big for a single girl like you.
Ah, you expecting me to be in a room and a parlor? Is that what you wanted?
Come on, Chichi. You know exactly what I'm talking about. The house is massive, beautiful at the same time. God.
It's massive and beautiful. Thank you. Okay, you know what you will do, eh?
You're blessed.
Amen.
I have.
Receive it. Yeah. This is what you do, eh? That will be your room. So just freshen up and please, this is now your house. Don't be a stranger.
Chinasa. Chinasa.
Beautiful and successful.
Do you need me to show you anything else? So you're okay. Are you sure?
Fine girl, fine hustler. Small girl, biggie bank here. Small girl with a biggie god. Adam money more for my Chiquito Jago. Fine baby with the cash. Adam money more for my.
Hi God. Nah, what is this? You mean you don't know where your so-called wife is and you're not bothered?
Hey. Point of correction.
Hi.
She's not my so-called wife. She's my wife. I married her properly.
You married her properly. And you cannot say that the woman you have now is no longer the woman you married. James, why do you even allow her to expose you to this level of ridicule? Sign these papers, sign these divorce papers and let her go. Let her leave you alone.
See, I can't cannot imagine a world without a berry. Ha! The thought of it alone kills me. I can't sign those papers. I can't.
God, what is it? Do you remember what you told me? That woman did not even breastfeed your son at all. Can't you see that she had this plan of leaving you and possibly do something stupid with her body?
What are you trying to say? Are you indirectly calling my wife a prostitute? Because I tell you everything, every secret about us, is that?
I'm sorry, James, but you should not misunderstand me. You shouldn't. That woman may be with a man as you speak right now. Oh yes, you may get angry, but that is a possibility. I'm telling you. What process is this? And then she will still come back here without cause and you will allow her in? Come on.
Enough. It's okay, enough. I've had enough.
They act like a man, bro. It's okay. Act like a man. My friend, sign those papers and allow her to go. Do you want to die? Sign the papers. Now, what is this now? Sign the papers.
Chiquito Diego, fine baby with the cash. Adama name of man, beautiful and successful. She dey make her own bed. Chiquito ma with it.
Hey baby, be fast now. Come on, let's go. We don't want to be late for this party, and I told Kel I'll be there on time, oh. Hey. See my face. You look gorgeous. As always.
You mean I'm looking good?
More than good.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go. We don't want to be late.
All right.
And I'm sure you'll be center of attraction tonight.
Like this?
Like this.
Don't
What about your bag? You don't need any bag.
I'll be back. Don't worry.
Don't worry, I'll buy you.
All right.
What is it?
I thought it was a private party.
Of course it is. Come, let's go inside.
Chichi, I'm feeling somehow. You know I've not been in this kind of place for a very long time. I don't even know how I'll be feeling while I'm in there.
So that's why you brought me out here. My dear, it's okay. I want you to just have fun. It's been a while you've had fun. Let's go inside, marry and dance, okay? You'll be fine.
You know what? I'm not buying that her story. I'm not.
Candice, what part of her story do you not understand, if I may ask? She said the girl in question is married, all right? And she's having issues in her home, which is why she was brought here, at least for her to forget her worries, Candice.
That is what I'm saying. That part is what I am not buying.
Oh, please.
I mean, that girl is so local.
Oh, please, just stop. Stop all this. Stop.
Hi, guys. My own personal friends. What are you guys doing here? Why are you not in the party? Did you see the girl Chichi brought with her? The local girl.
Wait, did you just say local?
Yeah.
I've seen her, but I think I like her.
What? Yes. You like that thing?
Can you please stop? Stop! Stop looking down on people, Candice. How many times will I tell you this? Listen, these so-called high-class girls, they were not built in one day.
Exactly.
It's a gradual process. Relax. Relax.
You know what? I need to speak with Chichi now.
Oh my God.
Chichi, we know you. You are not into girls. What changed?
I don't understand though. No, is it a problem to bring a friend to a party again?
I wonder. Candice here believes the girl is too local.
Local? Candice?
Yes.
Okay, she's not local. She's just broke. Actually, very, very broke. Can't we help his sister again?
You know what, ladies? Today is my birthday. My party. Can we all go inside and celebrate and stop discussing about a lady who is trying to gain her faith?
That's it. That's what I've been saying.
Let's go.
Can we go inside and party with the birthday girl?
Why not?
It's my birthday.
Come, baby. Baby, your phone is ringing.
And what are you doing snooping around my phone?
You've got a wonderful text message. A very sweet and lovely one at that. Like the one you get after a late night sex.
And what are you on about this time?
Chuma, don't you dare do that to me. Don't you do that to me. I am not an idiot. I am not stupid. Every time you make me look like an obsessed fiancé. You stand there lying to my face while the truth is glaring.
Do you want to know the truth? Do you truly want to know the truth? There's this person that I met and I love her. Yes. See, I am sorry that this has to happen this way. I never wanted it to happen this way, please. But she's pregnant with my child. And I am going to marry her.
You are going to do what?
Yes, I'll be taking her down to my parents' house this weekend and marriage arrangement will kick off immediately.
What? What is what? Chuma, are you saying that you're not seeing this lipstick stain on your shirt? Who is she?
Come on, babe, come on. Why would I cheat on you?
I don't know. Maybe because you are a pro at what you do. We have broken up 3 times already. Because you can't control your sexual libido.
Okay, babe.
And it's not up to a year, say 7 months we just reconciled. And then you're back in your old ways.
Okay, babe, listen. First of all, I am not cheating on you and definitely not going back to my old ways. Yes. You know why? Because it's already in the past and I have nothing to do with my past now. Yes. And as for the lipstick, she is my potential client. I did not sleep with her, trust. I did not sleep with her. Even though she tried making advances towards me, but I told her that we are going to get married. And I showed her our pictures in my phone. Yes. Trust me, babe. It is you that I want. Yes. I love you and I don't want to lose you. Do you understand me? Not now, not ever. Yes. Baby, it took me a year to get you back. Do you think I want to ruin it because of my dirty and stupid desires? No. Baby, it is you that I love. I love you so much and I don't want to lose you again. I swear it. And I swear on my mother's grave. Yes.
You swear it?
I have no reason to lie to you, babe. I don't want to lose you again.
Okay. It's fine. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry that I haven't let the past behind me yet, but I promise I will work on that.
Just come here.
Heaven knows that I did everything possible for this relationship to go further. And I was even prepared to give my life for you. But as it is, Chuma, you do not want someone like me. You are not worth someone like me. It's fine. Please, I beg of you. Live my life in peace. And I wish you best of luck.
Everything shall surely pass away. The pleasures of this world are just for a while. See
sir.
Afternoon.
Yes,
How
sir.
are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Is your madam around? I want to speak to her.
Madam has not come.
Why? Is she sick or something?
I don't know, but she left instructions on what we should be doing. So I guess maybe she's on break or something.
Oh. Okay. What's that your name again?
Rita, sir.
Rita. Alright, thank you.
Shall surely pass away. Don't gain the world and lose your soul. Everything shall surely pass away. The pleasures of this world are just for a while. Silver and gold shall surely pass away. Don't gain the world and lose your soul.
Sally? Sorry. Which way is your kitchen? Here. Some water. Easy. Easy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You remember what the doctor said, right? You have to take very good care of yourself.
I know. Thank you, James. Thank you so much for coming here today to take him to the hospital. Thank you for leaving your job.
That's enough. You've said that more than it is needed. Celine, what I did for you is what I know you will do for someone else in the same situation. So, enough of that. Yeah.
James, I cannot believe what an idiot I was. 8 months of my life. 8 whole months of my life, James. I was just very stupid, dumb, and...
No. You know what I consider dumb? It is you blaming yourself for someone else's stupidity. You trusted him so much. One reason you never suspected him. You gave him benefit of the doubt and he ruined it. You gave him everything. Your heart, your love, everything. But he decided to mess it up. So tell me, how is this your fault? Listen, what happened has happened. He doesn't deserve you. You don't need to keep moving forward and backward. Forget about him and forge ahead with your life.
I cannot. James, I cannot. I love him. I love him so much. I don't even know how I'm going to survive this. I don't know if I can deal with this.
You can. Celine, you can. I know you can. You are stronger than you look. Besides, why are you demoralized about this young man? He doesn't love you. He has gotten another girl for himself. He has moved on. He doesn't even want you in his life. So, why fight a battle you've already lost?
Right. Coming from a man who is finding it so hard to keep his home together. Why are you not letting his wife go? That's hypocrisy, you know. And they are the same thing.
I don't know how to explain this. But they are not the same scenario. I was married, but you are not. It's okay though.
Fine baby with the cash. Beautiful and successful. Now she dey make her own pay. Chiquito ma waiting day. Adama de mofuma. Fine girl, big jeep. Fine girl, fine house.
Hello, beautiful. What's up now?
It's my mother.
What happened?
She found out that I left town. Then she went to where I kept my son and took him. Since then, she's been disturbing my life that Jamike is a handful. I don't understand.
Is that all? You know, all kids are like that till they grow up and understand. Anyway, the good news is he doesn't have to miss his mother for too long. We're going back today. And this is for you.
What is this?
What does it look like?
10 million naira?
For you. You don't have to pay it back.
Really? Oh. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this, but I'm sorry I can't accept it.
And why can't you?
I know I don't have to pay you back, but I do not want to be indebted to you for the rest of my life.
Okay, if you feel that way, then why don't you use your certificate and walk?
How many times have I told you that I do not want to be answerable to anyone? Besides, how much do employees earn? Chichi, this is not what I want for myself. I've always told you, I love to be independent. I am not handicapped that I will be depending on someone for the rest of my life. I mean, who does that? All I'm begging you to do for me is to help me. You have the connection. Introduce me to business, and I will handle the rest. Please. It appears to me as if you are very angry over my boldness. Chichi, you know me. You have known me over the years. I do not pretend. I say things the way they are. Something in me is telling me that there is a push you can actually give to me. So why are you giving me money instead of the push? Why?
I gave you 10 million naira. 10 million naira. Not change. Money that can transform your life. And you're not excited about it.
Chinasa,
Look at you. A young woman like you giving me 10 million naira. That already tells me that you were already exposed to the lords and masters of wealth. Come on, Chichi. Don't be like this. You have known me over the years. We have known ourselves. I have never hidden anything from you. Stop hiding things from me.
Ebe, I know you, okay? And I know that you are eager to make money. But you can't do this job.
That is what you've been saying. This is what you've been saying from day one. And I kept telling you that I can. Anything. I'm willing to.
There's something you need to understand. This world runs on a montage. 90%, if not 99% of businesses that you see in the government reserved areas are controlled from places you cannot imagine.
I cannot really boast to understand what you just said. But explain to me. I am willing to understand. I'm willing to learn.
You asked me 3 times to introduce you to business.
Yes.
Swear on your life that if I tell you, you will not reveal the secret.
I swear. Chinasa, I swear on my life. As a matter of fact, I swear on my father's grave that I will never reveal whatever it is you're about to lead me into. Lead me into those secrets. And I promise you, my dear, I will never betray you. Never.
Have you seen why I hate you so much? The woman you refused to sign the papers to set her free has gone missing and you're not bothered.
There is nothing I'll prove to you, mother, that will make you agree to what I say.
You must be an imbecile to call me your mother. I am not your mother. I will never be a mother to a failure like you. Listen, I came here specifically to warn you. If anything happens to my daughter, I will set you on fire. Fool.
God, you are my defense in times of trouble. I have no one to run to except you.
The daughter of the excellent seed of germination. I can see you brought someone with you.
Yes, Sir Secondo. The great priest of the temple of the seed of excellent germination. I have brought my friend. She wants to fetch from the wealth of water.
I can see her preparedness. And I see no fear in her eyes. And I like what I see. You know, strongholds. Strongholds keep the weak in perpetual bondage. But strongholds are broken by the strong. That is why they are the strong. The key to success, the key that can see somebody live above all circumstances, is actually hidden beyond the web where no eyes can visualize them clearly. But when you are exposed, you will be able to see them. The mystery that can make you live beyond all those things can only be revealed to people who are determined to wallow in the web. And I'm going to ask you, are you prepared to wallow in the web?
Yes, I am fully prepared.
The Muda is that center of the world from where all businesses are controlled. As you have confessed before me that you are prepared to fish from this ocean of wealth, I'm going to ask you, dip your hands in the waters of Bermuda. You have just entered into an oath of secrecy. You have just started the process of the initiation into the Bermuda. It simply means that you now know that you must never disclose the secrets of this order to people that are outside. A day is going to come when you will disclose the secrets of this place to people who are not sanctified. And that day is going to be the day you will breathe your last.
I'm not going to disclose anything to anyone. She already told me everything.
We are going to expose you to wealth. Wealth of unprecedented dimension. But I want you to understand something. That the good and the bad are two parallel lines that will never meet. This temple is that place where the good and the bad will always meet. We will give you money. Money that will come in form of a bag. That bag will never lack money inside of it. You can empty the bag in the morning. And when you come back in the night, the bag will be full of money one more time. But you are only going to see this money after you have slept with a madman.
What?
Listen, woman, make no mistakes about this. The madman must come right on the inside of you. His semen is that bad that is going to mix with the good you believe you are. Make any mistake and prevent this madman from coming inside of you, and every single thing you have done will be a waste.
Huh. Are you not asking for the impossible, sir? I can never have anything to do with a madman. I cannot even sleep with a madman, not to talk of allowing him come inside of me.
Silence, woman.
What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing, Chichi? What is all this? Please, how do we get out of this place?
Hey, listen. You have already been exposed to the waters of Bermuda. You have already started the process of the initiation, and you are not going anywhere. You must do what you are required to do.
Please, a secondo. I think there's a misinterpretation somewhere. I never asked for this. I only told her to connect me to business. I did not ask for connection to Bermuda. I did not say that. Please, if this is the only means for me to be wealthy, then I don't want to be.
You are not going anywhere, for you have already started the process of your initiation. You have just 3 days. 3 days to conclude what you have started, and we are going to expose you to wealth. And you will live in money until you die.
Why are you behaving like a weakling? Show me the way, show me the way, show me the way. I have now showed you the way. Where is the decisiveness?
Chinasa, please. Don't even try to twist this. You deceived me. You lied to me.
Hey, point of correction, no. I did not lie to you. I didn't deceive you. You never asked me how I made my money. All you wanted was for me to connect you to business, and I have done just that.
I wanted business, no doubt. I expected something totally different and not this.
Well, I am sorry to burst your bubble, because that is all you get. After all, you were the one who seemed hell-bent on getting money. You wanted to make money, so I showed you. Let me ask you a question. If I had showed you how I made money, would you believe me? You wouldn't. No, I tried not to introduce you. Why do you think I gave you that 10 million naira check?
Oh my goodness. But you should have told me. Chinasa, you should have at least told me. You should have told me.
And how do you want me to do that when my oath goes against it? All you are doing is just seducing a madman.
Oh, I don't want to hear that, please. Don't even remind me of that.
Oh, that is all you are doing. Just seduce a madman. It takes more than sleeping with a man to be a woman of power. Don't you know you can get men to be obedient to you? My dear, you have the foundation in your hands.
Oh my goodness. How do I get out of this?
Unfortunately, it's too late. You have to do what Sir Secondo said. In 3 days' time, it will be over. This is what I will do for you, I will arrange a madman for you. That's it. Yours is easy.
Chinasa, tell me the truth. Did you pass through this? I mean, did you do this?
Do what?
Sleep with a madman?
No. I slept with Sir Secondo in the graveyard. He vanished after releasing inside of me. I had to walk from the graveyard to my car, naked, during broad daylight. So you see why I said yours is easy?
No, you didn't do that.
Of course I did. Do you know what the other girls did? Candice, she gave up her womb. Ruth made her sister's son blind. Do you know what Kale does, She sleeps with her father every 2 months.
No, that's not true.
Okay. But it's what she does every 2 months. You see why I'm telling you again that yours is better than ours? It is better.
Hi. What have I gotten myself into? What about that priest? The one that had you in the graveyard? Has he stopped? Or does he still ask for sex?
It was not for pleasure, my dear. It was my initiation. Besides, even if he asked me for sex again, I would still do it. Yes, they are the ones behind the money. They have the power.
Where are you coming from?
Can't you be a man and hit me already so I can send you to jail?
You're not saying anything.
What stupid thing do you want to hear from me? What? I filed a divorce and served you. So technically, we are separated. So whatever I choose to do with my life or how I want to live it is none of your business.
You know what? I've been thinking towards this direction. And at this point, I've gone to my limit. You want a divorce? Hold on. You want a divorce? Here, you have it. I am done. I am tired. If you want to go, you are free to go. And obviously, I can see that things are not working out between us. We have come to the end of the road. You can pack your things and get out.
You have done me well.
One more thing. I don't want to see you here when I come out.
I hate you so much. Heaven knows I do.
Hold on. Ebere. Ebere, you haven't said anything at all. It's like you have something to say, but you don't know what to say.
Celine, it's not as if I don't know how to say what I want to say to you. But I'm kind of having a mixed feeling about it.
Is this not the right time to say it? You disappeared almost for 10 days and then you came back now speaking in videos. This is not fair.
Well, he finally did. He finally let me go.
He has signed the divorce papers.
Right. Berry, but this is all you've wanted, isn't it? So what is the mixed feelings for?
Celine, please can I stay here with you for the meantime? I don't want to go back to my mother. I mean, I can't face her right now.
So, is this what the mixed feelings is all about? Sure, you can. Why not?
Thank you so much.
It's nothing. You're welcome, right? And now, can you please talk about when you've been all this while?
Hello, Mama. I'm sorry, I don't understand what you're saying. Mama, what are you saying? Mama Ifunanya that I left my son with is more than capable to take care of him. But you went and took him because you're my mother. Stop behaving as if I've done anything wrong. Mama, please do not add to my troubles. Let me bear the insult James threw at me. Mama, I've heard you. I'll come over tomorrow. Please give my kisses and love to him.
Hey, James. The only way you can convince me right now is that you are okay. Just tell me that you are okay and forget about everything. That you are completely okay as a man, as James that I know. And now I will forget everything and just go home.
Uche, everything can be okay. That girl lost her virginity to me.
She lost her virginity to you. And then things went bad for you and she changed. She planned forcing you to commit suicide and you won. My brother, cheer up and move on.
Come on, Uche. It's not easy to move on. It is not. Look, let me be sincere with you. I signed those documents out of frustration.
Out of frustration?
Sure. I love her. I love her with every fiber in me. I can't just take her out of my mind. And I've never felt this helpless all my entire life. Not even when I lost my job.
Okay, fine. Well, just relax. Know it that things will soon get better. Have you not signed the papers? She's gone. Relax, my brother. Just forget about her. Forget about Ebere. Forget about her.
It's not easy.
Nonsense. Before you know it now, my mother will start disturbing me to go and get married. Hey, Uche, go and get married. Go and get married.
Uche, come on. Do not find useless excuses in my predicament. Your mother is right. You have to get married. Need to get a woman and get married.
My condition, guy.
You will be lucky, Uche. You will. As a matter of fact, I don't wish any of my friends to be as unlucky as I am.
My brother, forget it. Every woman I see now are all Eberes.
No, it's not true.
Ebere everywhere. It is better that I'm single right now. I'm enjoying it. And you know, am I feeling any heat? Uche, I can go out anytime, go back anytime, do well. Forget about it. All the women that you see right now, in fact, as I am right now, all the women, all of them as a woman. Is Ebere everywhere.
Very good morning.
Good morning. How's the night?
Good, and yes.
Awesome.
So, how was the talk with your mother?
She was actually happy he did that. That means he has forgotten about me. But trust me, I don't care. Not bothered.
And you're happy?
Of course I am. My darling, it was long overdue. As a matter of fact, we were beginning to bore each other. So, it is best we left. I am happy.
Ebere, I am very surprised at you. I am.
Why are you surprised?
Why are you willing to throw away everything for something so insignificant? Why?
Excuse me? Celine, what do you call insignificant? So wanting a life of my own is insignificant. Wanting a better life, wishing and wanting more for myself is what you call insignificant. Can you hear yourself speak?
Ebere, but you know you can have all these things with him. Together. Together. It pains me to see that you ended up in marriage with that decent man. Such a decent man. Because of a temporal hardship.
Oh, how can you say a thing like that? Don't talk about that temporal thing. A man who has been broke for years. Oh my goodness. Don't even go there. He practically feeds from hand to mouth. It is permanent when it comes to such people, and I am not interested in it.
Ebere, you know that this man is not lazy. He is not a lazy man. He wakes up every day, moves out, and is ready to do just anything to put food on the table for his family. And I know that one day, things will shift for him.
It's too late, Celine, because I am not going back to that place. I have walked out the door already, and I'm never going back. Please,
Ebere.
Can we stop talking about this? Please. And talking of which, I haven't seen Chuma since yesterday. Does he work morning and night?
We broke up.
What? What happened? Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry, sweetheart. He must be an animal to have done what he did to you.
Ebere, you know why I'm this hot? It's not even the fact that he cheated on me. Not the fact that the girl is carrying his child. But the very fact that I had him this close to me. This close. And each time, he lied his way out. And I'm very stupid to have believed him. Very stupid.
Don't say that, my darling. You are not stupid. You are not. It is not stupidity. I know it really hurts. It hurts so deeply. But I tell you to your face right now that it is his loss. He is the one that lost and not you.
Ebere, it is hard. It is so painful.
I know, but you have to take it easy. Celine, you have to take it easy. You are a beautiful woman. You are hardworking. And you have a flourishing business out there. You need a better man. You deserve the best and not Chuma. I'm telling you today, darling, a better man will come. Someone who will treat you like a queen that you are. No, Chuma doesn't deserve your tears. He doesn't at all. And all this while you have been indoors, you don't want to mingle with people out there, socialize. No, it is high time it stopped. Yes, it has to. You need to let him off your system. Let him, forget about him. He doesn't deserve you. It's okay. No, don't even cry because he doesn't deserve it. He doesn't deserve your tears. Please. It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay. Oh my goodness. Men are animals.
God.
James, I can't believe this. I left you finally last night and you went out to drink. Why is it difficult for you to understand that alcohol cannot solve anything? Why? Ha!
Uche, that was the only way I could sleep last night. As I speak with you right now, hangover is dealing with me.
Yes.
My head is aching.
Yes, the result of too much drinking. Listen, James, you should not go to work today. Don't just try it.
No. If I don't go to work, how will I feed?
Look at you. Just look at yourself. Eh? You look like shit. I'm telling you. Listen, if I don't tell you the truth, nobody will. You should listen to me and, oh, thank God. Thank God. The person listen to his ear. Goddess.
Hi.
What's it here?
Uche.
Helen the goddess. Goddess is selling.
James, good morning.
Good morning.
Uche, how are you?
I'm fine. Oh, a pleasant morning too. To you, goddess.
Stop calling me that. I am not a goddess.
But you are. You are. And should be addressed as such. Selling the goddess. Goddess is selling.
Uche, please. I am not here for your silly jokes. Please. James, you look beaten up.
Oh, this lady is fantastic. You just got it right. Beaten up. This idiot was fighting with bottles of beer. All through last night he was fighting with bottles, and now they are beating him up.
It's clear. Obvious. Very evident. I can see it.
Selling the goddess. Goddess is selling. Why try to talk him out of his foul mood? Maybe you should as well try and persuade him out of his suicide attempt.
Huh?
Yeah. Do not allow him to go to work today. Because he will not handle anything. He can't handle anything. Oh? Oh? Yes, don't allow him. He needs rest. Cool off. Selling the goddess. Goddess is selling. You are the goddess. I should be on my way now. I will come back in the evening, my man.
Can't you? After talking like a radio without battery.
Obi, radio without battery. Please take care of him. Goddess is selling. Selling the goddess.
Get out of here. Get out.
This guy is just a clown.
Finally, someone is done hiding.
I've got to face life. I have my life to live.
So,
Sorry.
why are you here?
But I want you to understand something. That the good and the bad are two parallel lines that will never meet. This temple is that place where the good and the bad will always meet. We will give you money. Money that will come in form of a bag. That bag will never lack money inside of it. You can empty the bag in the morning, and when you come back in the night, the bag will be full of money one more time. But you are only going to see this money after you have slept with a madman.
This is one problem I have with these occult people. They will never explain things to you in details before taking you to see their priest face to face. What do I do now? You're back. Welcome.
Yes. What is wrong with you? Are you okay?
You want to understand. Don't worry.
Then make me understand.
Celine.
I don't like your mood at all. Something is eating you up, and just let me hear it.
Celine. Believe me when I say that you will not understand. You won't. Don't worry yourself about it.
Okay. I'm sorry for asking, but since you will not share, I will. I went to see James today.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Oh, yes, I did. Ebere, that guy is not doing good at all. He's so lost without you.
Then you should go and look for someone else. Because I'm never going back there. Never will I. Never.
Ebere, were you ever in love with that man?
Celine, I have so many important things to think about. James is not even on my list. Please just forget about it.
You know, it's so painful to know that you are throwing such beautiful thing away because of a momentary happiness. It is crazy.
Celine, this is my life and I am in full control of it. And please, I will advise that you don't talk about anything that has to do with James and I for now. Please, mind your own business.
Everything shall surely pass away. The pleasures of this world are just for a while. Silver and gold shall surely pass away. Don't gain the world and lose your soul.
Made up my mind. I'll do it. Get him arranged. I will be in Port Harcourt this evening.
Everything shall surely pass away. The pleasures of this world are just for a while. Silver and gold, Chiquito Jago, fine baby with the cash. Beautiful and successful, now she dey make her own pay. Chiquito ma waiting day, Adama de Mofuma. Fine girl, biggie jeep, fine girl, fine house. Small girl, biggie banky, small girl with a biggie god. Adama de Mofuma. Chiquito Jago.
I am so happy you finally decided to do this. You are not going to regret it, okay?
Not like I have a choice, do I?
We all wouldn't be here if we did. Listen, it's never easy for all of us. But we had to do what we had to do. But trust me, with time you get over it and you start enjoying yourself.
Exactly.
Yes.
A lady has to do what a lady got to do to become a society lady.
And most importantly, you choose the kind of man you want around you. Money is indeed beautiful in the hands of ladies of high class.
And I want to belong to that class.
And it will happen tonight.
Exactly.
Thank you so much.
Chiquito Jago, fine baby with the cash. Adama de Mofuma. Beautiful and successful, now she dey make her own play. Chiquito ma waiting.
Where exactly are we going?
There's a madman inside there.
Where? In there?
Yes.
Why a place like this? Someone might see us.
And so what? Ladies who are determined to make money do not think about a lot of things. When I did mine, it was during the daytime. Yes, I walked from the graveyard to my car naked. Oh yes, people thought I was mad. In fact, I looked like a mad woman. But guess what? I went to my car, picked my clothes, wore it back and drove off. Where are these people now? I don't know. Even if they recognize me, and so what? What can they do? What can they do to me? Money answereth all things. Now move it.
Ray, you have to come with me.
Why?
I brought you a beautiful wife, eh? Beautiful wife.
Why? My father's wife. 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 Ah!
He looks very violent. He will beat me, oh.
Beat him back. This is where I leave you.
She dead.
Hello. Hey. Sorry.
My wife.
Why are you looking so agitated?
It's 3 days already. 3 days and I haven't seen a thing. Not anything that looks like money. Not a torn one. What is going on?
You have to relax, eh? Money will come.
When?
It will come.
This is the 3rd day, Chichi. Now let me ask you. Did you stay up to this before your own came?
No, mine was 24 hours.
You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking... Why is my own different? Why? I did everything I was asked to do. I never skipped a thing. So what happened?
I know you didn't, but my dear, be patient. You have come this far. Just be patient.
That is what I don't have. Patience. I don't have it. I need this money. I need it. I don't have patience. I don't have it.
Just be patient, okay? Be patient. You have done this. You've come this far. Relax.
It's frustrating.
Relax.
It is frustrating.
You think it's easy to make money just like that?
I sacrificed a lot. It needs to come.
Waiting for the money is one thing. Getting the money is another. I will give you the money. I will give you the money. But you belong to me. You belong to me. You belong to me. You belong to me. Waiting for the money is one thing. Getting the money is another. I will give you the money. But you're mine. You're mine. You belong to me.
Why must everything become difficult when it comes to me? Ebere, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with me? According to Chichi, hers did not even take up to 24 hours. So why is my own taking days and days and days?